This is Decoded, AI for Everyone, the podcast that makes sense of artificial intelligence, not just in your pocket, but in your world. When a machine paints a masterpiece, composes a symphony, or designs a building that moves us emotionally. Across the world, AI is no longer just calculating, it's creating. From architecture to cuisine, from design studios to concert halls, AI is learning to imagine. And when it does, it challenges what we think creativity really is. Intuition, experience, or something else entirely. This is Creativity 2.0, where machines dream in data and humans learn what imagination means all over again. Welcome back to Decoded, AI for Everyone. In this episode, we're exploring how AI is reshaping creativity itself, from architectural design and culinary innovation to performance art and everyday problem solving. Because creativity isn't just for artists or architects anymore. It's in the way we code, plan, cook, and communicate. The question is, when AI can help us imagine new possibilities, how do we stay part of the process?
Season 2 of Decoded, AI for Everyone, is powered by Stratagen AI, where research meets execution.
Let's start with architecture, the art of shaping space. Tools like Midjourney, SpaceMaker AI, and Hyper are now helping architects simulate sunlight, airflow, sustainability, and structure before the first brick is even drawn. In Copenhagen, architects are using AI to model thousands of design variations, not to replace vision, but to amplify it. It means buildings can respond to the environment dynamically. It means design becomes a conversation between human intention and algorithmic possibility.
At Stratagen AI, we see creativity as a co-pilot model, where AI becomes the partner that suggests, not dictates.
But it also changes authorship. Who gets credit for the idea? The architect or the algorithm? And what happens when cities start being shaped by software that learns from our behavior? Because data can design, but it can also define. Imagine a kitchen that knows your preferences, your health data, and what's in your fridge, and generates the perfect recipe. That's not science fiction, it's happening now. AI platforms like IBM Chef Watson and Plant Jammer are combining flavor chemistry, nutrition science, and machine learning to create entirely new recipes. Dishes that no chef has ever thought of. In Michelin-star restaurants, chefs are using AI to test ingredient pairings before they ever hit the plate. At home, apps are helping families reduce waste and eat better by reimagining what's possible with what they already have. It's innovation that tastes different.
Artificial intelligence in cuisine isn't about replacing the chef. It's about broadening the palette of possibility.
But creativity always reflects culture. And when machines start generating flavors, how do we ensure cultural heritage and tradition aren't lost in the optimization? Because cooking isn't just chemistry, it's identity. From the Sydney Opera House to Broadway, AI is now part of the performance. Musicians use neural networks to improvise. Dancers interact with projected AI-generated visuals that respond in real time. Even theatre productions are experimenting with scripts co-written by algorithms
that adjust dialogue based on audience emotion. In Japan, the AI pop star Hatsune Miku sells out stadiums. In Europe, orchestras collaborate with AI conductors that respond to tempo and tone. It raises a profound question. Is this creativity or curation? When the artist and the algorithm perform together, what makes it human isn't the perfection, it's the imperfection.
AI can mimic creativity, but it can't feel wonder. The human contribution is still awe-inspiring.
For most of us, creativity shows up in smaller ways. AI is helping students brainstorm essays, helping marketers test ideas, and helping families design their dream homes online. It's also helping people with disabilities communicate through art and music. These tools are democratizing creativity, turning everyone into a designer, writer, or problem solver. But creativity still needs curation. The difference between creation and consumption is choice. AI can suggest infinite options, but meaning comes from what we choose.
Human creativity isn't being replaced, it's being amplified.
Because creativity isn't about generating endless outputs, it's about recognizing when something feels right. When AI starts imagining, it also starts reflecting our own biases and aspirations back at us. Whose data shapes its creativity? Whose stories, aesthetics, and cultures get represented? And what happens when AI starts inventing realities that never existed? Deepfakes showed us the risk of synthetic media. Now, generative art forces us to ask, what is authenticity in an age where machines can imitate emotion? Creativity has always been about expression. AI introduces replication, and that makes ethics part of the creative process.
Whether you're a student using AI to write, a chef experimenting with recipes, or an architect reimagining the skyline, this moment is about collaboration, not competition. AI gives us a new set of creative muscles, but it still needs human intent, emotion, and context to make sense. So the next time you create something with AI, ask yourself, is this tool amplifying my imagination or narrowing it? Because the future of creativity isn't about automation, it's about augmentation. Humans and machines designing possibility together.
So that's Creativity 2.0, where art, architecture, and algorithms collide. It's not about replacing inspiration. It's about rediscovering it in new forms through new partnerships. Next time on Decoded, we explore AI in education, how adaptive learning systems are transforming classrooms, universities, and careers. From accessibility to academic integrity, we'll look at how AI is teaching us to learn differently. For AI tools, resources, and AI comparisons, visit promptengineeringcookbook.com. I'm Joel Leslie. Stay aware, stay intentional, stay human.
Season 2 of Decoded, AI for Everyone, is powered by Stratogen AI, where research meets execution.